Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'd first spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be drawing of this inner circle which is of 31 dia, followed by drawing of this outer circle which is of 60 dia. Then we would be copying both these circles down at a center to center distance of 90 units. Then we would draw one line extending from the midpoint of the circle downwards to a distance of 90 divided by 2, that is 45, and then extending the line to the left at a distance of 54. Then using the end point of the line as the center point of a circle, we'll draw a circle of radius 15. Then we'll copy this circle to the left at a distance of 26 units. Then we'll draw these two quadrantial lines and trim the unwanted part of the circle. Then we'll draw one circle with the same center point and a radius of 40. Then we'll draw one tangential line from this circle to this circle and another tangential line from this circle to this circle. Finally, we'll fillet these two circles with a radius of 51. Then we would select the entire geometry and we would first trim off the unwanted parts of the circles. Then we would select the entire geometry and change the thickness of the line to 30. Then we would put the center marks and change the color of the center marks to red. Then we would finally follow it with dimensioning and our geometry is complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. I'll pan the drawing a bit to the left, making space for our new geometry. Now I'll first begin by drawing this circle. So we'll select circle, center, diameter. We'll use the midpoint of this circle as a tracking point and click somewhere over here and give the diameter for this circle as 31 and hit enter. Then we'll again repeat the same command with the midpoint of the circle as the same as the previous circle and a diameter of 60 units and hit enter. Then we would select both these circles, CO for copy, and we would copy it downwards at a distance of 90 units and hit enter. Then we would press escape to come out of the copy command. Then we would use the line command and specify the midpoint of this circle extending downward 90 divided by 2, that is 45 units, and extending to the left 54 units and hitting enter. Then we press enter to end the line command. Now we'll draw this circle of radius 15. So circle, center radius. This is the center point, radius is 15, hit enter. Then we copy, select the object to copy, give the center point as this, extend to the left 26 units, hit enter, and press escape to come out of the command. L for line, and we'll draw one line which would be either you can say tangential to this and tangential to this, or you can draw a line and you can say quadrantial to this and quadrantial to this, enter. Then we can trim the unwanted lines or the unwanted circles, and we don't need these referential lines also, so we can trim them or erase them as you prefer, and then hit enter to come out of the trim command. Finally, we'll draw this circle of radius 40. So with the same center point, we'll draw a circle of radius 40 and hit enter. And then L for line, and we'll say tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. Then we can either use the repeat command or mirror this line tangential to this and tangential to this. Hit enter. Then we would fillet here. So we'll type fillet and we'll give the radius as 51 and we would select both these circles and we get the filleted part. Then we would trim the unwanted part of the circle. So we don't need this and we also do not need this. Now our line work is complete. So we can select the entire geometry and increase the thickness of the line to 0.30. Then press escape and then we use the center mark command and draw one center mark for this circle, one for this, one for this and one for this. Then we press escape and then we select the 4 center marks and we change the color of the center marks to red or any color of your choice. Then we press escape and now we can proceed with dimensioning. So first we'll choose diametric dimensioning and we'll select this outer circle 60 dia. Again diametric dimensioning inner circle 31 dia. Then we'll use linear dimensioning and we'll select center point of this, center point of this, and we'll say 90 units. Then we'll go for radius dimensioning, radius for this 51 units. Then we'll go for diametric dimensioning and diameter for the inner circle 31 units. Again we'll go for diametric units and diameter for the outer circle 60 units. Then we'll go for linear dimensioning and select center point of this and center point of this 54 units. Again linear dimensioning, center point of this, center point of this, and it is 26 units. And then radius dimensioning, radius for this circle 15. Again radius dimensioning, radius for this 15. Then again radius dimensioning, radius for this is 40. And our geometry is now complete. So friends, in this tutorial, we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you liked this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.